Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are excited to present our capstone project titled AI-powered customer feedback analytics and recommendation system. Our team includes Jai Rawal as project leader, Kalp as a data collection and pre-processing specialist, me Rushit as a sentiment analyst, developer and evaluation analyst, Darshit as topic modeling and recommendation engineer, and Nilesh as the UI and dashboard lead. This system is designed to revolutionize how business understand customer feedback. Our project aims to automate the feedback analysis process using AI. Manual processing is slow, inconsistent, so we use NLP, ML models to analyze sentiment and identify key topics in customer feedback. Admins can view the insights on the interactive dashboard, enabling real-time decision to improve services and products. The goal is to reduce workload and find trends and enhance customer satisfaction. For the problem statement, now Jay will be continuing the slides. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rushit. So yeah, these days a lot of businesses rely on manual methods to go through customer feedback. So it's time consuming, prone to human error, and honestly, it just doesn't scale well. Because of that, many important issues raised by customer are missed. What we have done is build a smarter solution using AI to automatically analyze feedback in real time. It classifies sentiments and picks out the main topics so businesses can get clear, actionable insights quickly and consistently. So, project objectives. First, to automate the way feedback is sorted using sentiment analysis. Second, to use neutral language processing to identify what customers are really talking about. Third, to turn all that data into insights that admins can actually use. Fourth, to let admin respond directly from the dashboard. No need to switch tools. And finally, to improve overall services quality by offering smart AI-based recommendation. Next is project scope that includes, here what we have included in our system is we have set up role-based access for a simple feedback from both customers and admins. A simple feedback from that runs real-time sentiment analysis and NLP pipeline that extracts the key topics being discussed and Gemini API integration to generate better, more neutral responses. Now, just to be clear, we haven't included things like social media integration, mobile apps, multiple language support, or cloud deployment yet. Those are definitely on the radar of our future updates on our application. So, yeah, let me walk you through how the system works now. So, let me give you a bit small overview. So yeah, users start by signing up and submitting their feedback through the interface, as you can see. Yeah, and that feedback goes through some cleaning and tokenization. Then it's analyzed using a sentiment classifier and topic modules. We have used Gemini API that is powered by Google to generate short and clear summarize. All of this is shown to admins in a clean dashboard where they can also rely directly. So at the end of our presentation, we will be showing you how that works, and everything is sorted in a local SQLite database to keep things lightweight and simple. Thank you. That was my part. Now, next part, like technology used, will be explained by Nilesh.
Thank you, Jay. So here is the technology we used in this project. We used Python and Flash for the backend, Skikit and Learn for sentiment classification, SkySci and NLKT for NPL, and for summarization, Gemini API. For data storage, we use SQLite and Power BI and Scrimlit for what is for visualization, and the Gilbit for help explanation and collaboration. Next slide, please. Next slide. So here is the key features and modules. Our solution is a secure login and role-based access, simple UI for feedback submission, ML-based sentiment analysis, and NLP keyword extraction, admin dashboard with the research and filters, Gemini-based AI Insight, Flash messaging, and user-friendly error handling. Thank you. Next, I would like to call Kalp.
Thank you, Nilesh. In this slide, I will explain about application screenshot. The first, I'll log in and register this page and role selection screen, feedback submission, admin dashboard with the filters, feedback list, and a direct reply interface. And in this a methodology, uh, requirement gathering, data collection and cleaning, training sentiment and the topic model, dashboard and back integration, and the Gemini API setup, and testing documentation and the presentation. Next slide. In this RSAI matrix, this defines role and representability. Each member was either responsible, accountable, consulted, or informed for the test, like UI design, model training, and dashboard building and documentation. It helps us to stay coordinated and ensure a clear accountability. Next slide. In this chart, the explaining for our 8-week timeline, each phase, planning, development, testing, and presentation was mapped and clearly. It ensured timely to execution and allowed it to track our weekly goal and delivery. So next slide will be present by Darshit.
Thanks, Kalp. Now at this stage, we achieved 82% accuracy in sentiment classification and identification of top concern like delivery time and product quality. And admin dashboard enable real-time filtering and replies, and Gemini summaries enhance understanding of feedback done, and simulated real-world feedback response scenarios. Next slide, please. So for future improvement, we recommended expanding the training data set and enabling real-time feedback via e-commerce APIs and deploying to cloud platforms via AWS or GCP, and adding multilingual support as well as upgrading the UI using frameworks like React for better user experience. Next slide, please. In the conclusion, we successfully built and deployed an AI-powered feedback system that is scalable and low cost as well as effective. It addresses major challenges in e-commerce understanding customer sentiment, and this project showcases our technical, analytical, as well as teamwork capabilities for industry red line. Now, next slide will be explained by Rushit.
That was our presentation. Now, Rushit will take to the short tour of developed our application, and I will help him to run that.
Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of our project Feedback Analytics, an AI-powered customer feedback analytics system designed for e-commerce business. Let's start with from the main dashboard. Jay is loading the program now. So we'll go to follow the link. It will open in a browser. So this is our home page where user can log in view customer feedback insights in real time. The interface is user-friendly and displays summary of all submitted feedback using clear charts metrics. So here we are logging as a customer and we are putting a review so we can show you that how real-time data works. We are entering the feedback now, like food was good. So we're gonna submit this. So as you can see, the past feedback and for this feedback, the feedback was submitted and the sentiment, it says it's positive. So this is from the customer side. Now we'll take you to the admin side. So can you please take us to the admin side? You will see how the system collects and displays the data for the admin. So this is the admin dashboard. This section includes a sentiment analysis summary. It shows breakdowns of feedback into categories using pie chart and bar graphs. This visualization helps business quickly understand how customers feel about the service or product. We also include a real-time statistic. So can you just little bit scroll down? Yep. It shows breakdown of feedback into categories like the percentage of positive and negative reviews and the average sentiment score all updated instantly after each submission. One of the core features of it is the AI-driven text classification. Behind the scenes, we use Python with the libraries like TextBlob and NLTK to analyze text and determine its tone. The part is essential because it's allowed businesses to prioritize responses to unhappy customers. Finally, the system is fully responsive, meaning it can be accessed from desktops, tablets, or mobile phones without any lost functionality. Overall, the feedback helps companies save time, improve decision making by automatically turning feedback into actionable insights. If you can you scroll down? So this is the recent feedbacks we have done. So we log in as a Jay Rawal for the customer, and you can also reply. This is the message like food was good and it considered as a positive. So they told like the consider menu varieties, and for the reply it's currently spending. You can also reply that. So just press on a reply button. So for this customer, we are gonna reply them back so they know that we already reviewed the feedback and we are working on that thing. So this thing, when we put it from send reply, it's gonna show to the customer side. So this is our final project. Overall, this feedback analytics help companies have save time and improve decision making by automatically turning feedback into actionable insights. Thank you all.
So yeah, that was our application, and Rushit helped us to explain very nicely. So like I'm just explaining that how we have developed our system. So for our front end, we have used HTML, and for charts, all type of charts you can see in our database, we have used JavaScript. So our login page has been designed by CSS, like you what all the colors you can see we have designed by CSS. So our backend was done by the Python, and the machine learning in our project is being done by text blob. We have to tell of that. And for database, we have used SQLite. And for help for our comments, like how they are bifurcated using AI, we have used Google Gemini for that. So yeah, that was a short tour of our project, and thank you so much for your attention. Thank you.